Hey everyone, welcome to Real Money Mindset Hub. Today we're diving into something incredibly exciting. Imagine turning just $100 into a fortune over time. Yes, you heard that right, sounds impossible? Well, it's not. With the right strategies, even a small amount can grow significantly. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best investments for beginners in 2025, even if you have just $100 to start with. These tips are designed to help you maximize your returns while minimizing risks. Want to build wealth but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed when it comes to investing. Think investing is only for the rich? Think again. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Afraid of losing money in the stock market? Don't worry. We'll guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to invest your first $100, whether you want safe, steady growth or big potential returns. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to smart investing. Before we jump into the best investments, let's talk about why investing is important, especially in 2025. Investing is not just a buzzword, it's a crucial strategy for building wealth and securing your financial future. With the world constantly changing, the value of money today is not the same as it will be tomorrow. Fact: keeping your money in a savings account is a losing game. Why? Because inflation is at an all-time high. The interest rates on savings accounts are often lower than the rate of inflation, meaning your money loses purchasing power over time. If your money isn't growing, it's actually shrinking in value. Inflation erodes the value of your hard-earned cash, making it essential to find ways to make your money grow faster than inflation. But when you invest, your money works for you and grows over time. Investments can provide returns that outpace inflation, helping you build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Let's say you invest $100 every month in a solid investment with a 10% annual return. This consistent investment strategy can lead to significant growth over time. In 30 years, you wouldn't just have $36,000 saved. The power of compound interest means your money grows exponentially. You'd have over $197,000. This is the magic of investing in compound growth. That's the power of investing. It allows your money to grow at a much faster rate than traditional savings methods. And the best part? You don't need thousands to start. Even small, consistent investments can lead to substantial growth over time. Just $100 is enough to get going. Start today and let your money work for you, securing a brighter financial future. First on our list, ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like stocks. They hold assets such as stocks, commodities, or bonds, and generally operate with an arbitrage mechanism designed to keep trading close to its net asset value. Imagine investing in a basket of stocks instead of just one company. This basket can include shares from various sectors and industries, providing a diversified investment portfolio. This helps reduce risk while still growing your money. Diversification is key in investing because it spreads your investments across different assets, reducing the impact of any single asset's poor performance. One of the best beginner-friendly ETFs is the S&P 500 ETF. This ETF is designed to track the performance of the S&P 500 index, which includes the 500 largest companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. This fund tracks the top 500 biggest companies in the US, like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and Amazon. Investing in this ETF means you own a small piece of these major corporations. The S&P 500 has grown over 10% per year on average for the past 50 years. This historical performance makes it an attractive option for long-term investors looking to grow their wealth steadily. That means if you invest $100 today, in 10 years, it could be worth much more. Compounding returns over time can significantly increase the value of your initial investment. Some great S&P 500 ETFs to check out: VUO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is known for its low expense ratio and strong performance. SPY, Spider S&P 500 ETF, one of the oldest and most popular ETFs, offering high liquidity and a solid track record. And VTI, Total Stock Market ETF, which provides exposure to the entire US stock market, not just the S&P 500. With apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard, you can buy a fractional share of these ETFs for as little as $10. This makes it easy for anyone to start investing, regardless of their budget. Next up, we have index funds, the set-it-and-forget-it investment. Index funds are similar to ETFs but are managed differently. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, recommends index funds over individual stocks. Why? Low risk. You invest in hundreds of stocks at once, great long-term growth. Historical returns are around 8 to 10% per year, perfect for beginners. No need to pick individual stocks. One of the best options? Vanguard's VTSAX. It tracks the entire US stock market. Ever dream of earning money while you sleep? Well, with Dividend Stocks, that's exactly what happens. Dividend Stocks pay you money just for owning them. These are companies that share their profits with investors every quarter. Here are 3 great dividend stocks to consider. Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO, over 60 years of consistent dividends. Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ, strong and stable for decades. And Realty Income, ticker symbol O, a real estate company that pays dividends every month. With just $100, you can start earning passive income through dividends. Want to invest in real estate without buying property? Enter REITs or real estate investment trusts. With REITs, you invest in real estate companies that own buildings, malls, and apartments. And guess what? They pay you rent money in the form of dividends. Best REITs to invest in. Realty Income, O, pays monthly dividends. VNQ, Vanguard Real Estate ETF, invests in hundreds of real estate companies. With just $100, you can become a real estate investor today. Last but not least, Bitcoin ETFs and crypto. If you're open to higher risk and higher rewards, investing in Bitcoin ETFs is a great option. Instead of buying crypto directly, you can invest in ETFs like BITO, Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Bitcoin has grown over 200% in the past 5 years, making it an exciting investment option. Alright, now that you know the best investments for 2025, here's how to start today. Step 1. Pick an investment from this list. Step 2. Open a brokerage account on Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Step 3. Deposit $100 and buy your first investment. That's it. You're now officially an investor. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Comment below. What's your first investment going to be? Let's build wealth together.